So nice spring conditions will get here, we promise. Promise. In the meantime, lifestyle expert Afiya Francisco has a few ideas to add some joy, add some smiles to your wardrobe and your home decor as well. Welcome back.
Aw, thanks, Annette. So nice to see you.
Good to see you too.
Way too late to say Happy New Year, but like Happy New Year in person for the first time.
Spring?
Yes.
Kind of.
But it's kind of like that feeling, renewal, rejuvenation. So it does almost feel like a new year, right?
Okay.
So we'll start it off right away. As you said, bringing those smiles to our lives. We always think spring cleaning, of course, but let's talk with our smile originally. So that's Colgate Optic White Renewal. The reason why I want to talk about them is because my mind was blown. They have a patented formula of 3% hydrogen peroxide, and they're saying with 4 weeks of use twice a day, so just regular usage, you're going to eliminate 10 years of yellowing on your teeth. So is that not like the way to start your spring off, is just with that beautiful white smile? Yeah.
Now, is it okay for people who have sensitive teeth?
Yeah, so it's safe for enamel, great question. So it is safe and good on enamel, so don't worry too much about that. But of course, take it as it works for you, but that's one that I'm just like all about. I haven't done my 4 weeks yet, but I'm feeling quite good.
Feeling so bright. Yeah. Okay, spring cleaning.
Yes, so of course. Got to talk spring cleaning. Here I'm talking about Avon Rewards. And why? Because anytime we have an opportunity to like gain points, earn cash back, get rewards, get certain sort of privileges, we want to do that. Typically it's spread across the board, but with Avon Rewards, what's fantastic is that everything is under the same program. So you get all that stuff. Doesn't matter if you're an RBC customer or not, it's free to all Canadians. So rbc.com or avonrewards.com. You want to check that out to sign up for free. And they have multiple partners, over 2,400 of them, including Rexall, which has their own, they have their own program as well, Be Well program, yeah. Exactly, so anytime you can kind of like get that money back in your pocket or like earn something from it, I say do it. So I stocked up, I'm gonna be like super cleaning, did it all. So we have our Rexall, we have DoorDash, so I'm gonna get myself some snacks while I'm doing it, and then Petro-Canada because we know it's just like crazy expensive. So that's how I'm gonna ensure that I'm getting my money's worth for all the values, yeah.
And then some great buys.
Yeah, we can't not. Annette, can I come and not talk fashion?
No,
I don't think so,
that's
right?
your specialty.
So that's what I love. So Marshall's is all about those fantastic deals for great price points. We have those bright punches of color. I really want to emphasize the accessories here because I think that they really do pack a punch, so to speak. I love the layered necklace, but we're seeing those highlights of colors. So whether it's literal in terms of the floral or the beadwork that just kind of ties back into it, it's just like a really nice way to brighten up your wardrobe. But I don't want to forget my denim over here. This is from Winners, one of our favorite spots, because again, you're just getting that great value. They've done all the work for you. This is denim on denim on denim. I know. Oh, it's going to be
more than the Canadian tuxedo,
exactly.
right?
So, but I wanted to show that there's just so many options out there. So we have this jacket that kind of has that cool vintage feel to it. But then underneath, we were both loving this.
I love that jacket.
Isn't it so beautiful? So there's this more like elegant, ladylike option. And then the style of jean. Is it skinny? Is it baggy? Honestly, go for what suits your profile, and it's all available, whatever you like, and that's all can be found at Winners for a great price. So that's why I showed all that denim. You might not want to do it all yourself, but you know I would. But
okay, and you'd look cool in it. Okay, now home decor.
Home decor. So let's talk about the Artist Project. This is a fantastic initiative that's coming out. Over 250 artists, including Melanie Chung, who is based in Hamilton. So I wanted to give her a shout out. She's at booth 419, and you can see her work there. So what's fantastic about this, and the reason why I'm saying maybe go there, is because spring is that season of like optimism and inspiration and renewal. And when you go to something like this and you kind of think outside the box, I think it really can lend into the rest of the season of just a different way of looking at things. So this is at the Artist Project. You can get tickets at theartistproject.com and find out more about it. It runs from April 11th to 14th. So ensure you check it out. And there are fantastic artists. Like I said, Melanie Chung, we have her work here as well. And this one's called Hopelessly Hopeful. So I think that really kind of ties into everything we're talking about.
It's beautiful. And I did a deep dive on the Artist Project website. And I'm like, wow, there is a lot of great artists there from all across the country. And many are local. So so that's a great place to check out.
I think so. I think it's a really nice opportunity to, you know, maybe we're not going on vacation, maybe we're not even going on a road trip, but you can do fun things like that that really kind of take you outside of your everyday.
Okay, we'll get all those links, including more on the Artist Project coming up, and all your social media. Lovely to see you.
So nice to see you.
We'll have you back before the next New Year's,
I know, right?
I'm sure. We'll get the details up on our website, chch.com/morninglive.